Can you hear this? I don't know. A little quieter. This is my EDC Pocket Dump update for summer. What was it gonna say? Well, let's just get to it. First thing, I carry this police. It says police security light. It's got high, low, and strobe. It works on double A's, just two. Gerber 06. Sometimes I switch it with this knife. It's a Tac Force. This is my very first knife I ever had. And I'm 20. I had this knife since I was 12. This one. And it's got, I don't know if I pick it up. It's got reflectors right here. Seatbelt cutter. Window breaker. I either carry one of these. Keys. Something said. Keys. Cloth. Eyeglass cloth. My wallet. That's it. I did carry my baton, but the strap broke. I gotta sew it. Let's see if I can re-find it. I didn't put it in here that deep. The strap broke overnight. Don't know how. But it broke. That's what you get for Chinese shit. Cheap Chinese shit, you know, $5. And I also wear these. They are sunglasses. Either wear those ones or I wear my red ones. I prefer the American ones because they're polarized. Do got my G6. That's what I'm filming on. Forgot what I was gonna say. No, I do not have an EDC bag. I got tired of carrying that around. But I do have, if I'm out walking or something, I do have a day bag. Like if I'm walking around the park or something, going to the public pool, I put like what I need in here, like sunscreen, because I'm ginger. This is a Mosey bag. Go find the tag on it. You don't see too much reviews on this. I don't know why. It's a great bag. Small. It's small and everything. And it just goes over your shoulder. And it's really small, compact. So that's what I carry. That's it. Thank you.